Guys, what's up? It's Meg here from AVO. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. So we have gotten a lot of customer questions about how easy it is to take your camper on and off of your vehicle. So today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install this camper back onto the AVO Ram. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so we just backed up the Ram. We've got the camper on the truck. As we were starting to get close there, we did plug in the electrical, and we have actually left the legs on. We just brought them up on this camper because we're about to install this on a customer's truck tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and leave them on for now, but that's your choice if you want to leave them on while you're driving around, or you can take them off. Pretty easy. Okay, so now we are going to open up the camper and we're going to put our turnbuckles on. Alright guys, so we just finished installing this 4-wheel camper hock onto the AVO Ram. We backed up the truck, we made sure everything was lined up and that the camper was high enough. We did have to use those blocks just because the Ram is so tall. It's got a 3-inch lift and really big tires and everything, so we do have to make sure to add a little bit extra to our jack stands, but a lot of you don't have to do that. They can just go straight to the ground depending on how high your truck is. So yeah, we made sure it was all lined up. It's very helpful to have a spotter to help you out, just to make sure that everything's lined up right, and to let you know when your camper contacts the little bump stops that are on the front of the camper. And yeah, so once you get to have a certain distance behind the camper, you go ahead and pause, plug in your electrical, and then you can continue to back up and to get the camper all the way up against your truck. Open up your 4 doors to access the places where you'll attach it to your bed with your turnbuckles. Once your turnbuckles are nice and tight, then you're good to go. You can have a great time camping. Alright guys, so if you have any questions about installing your 4-wheel camper, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com. Call us at 844-667-3687. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. If you like this video, be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you soon. Bye guys!